Assalamu alaikum guys. So today we are going to do the review of Amor Beauty Skin, Hair and More. As you can see the packaging, it's in a cardboard box and the box was nice, but as compared to SL Basics packaging, I don't know that I should compare it with SL Basics or not, but as compared to that it was like a bit low packaging, but the cardboard box was good. And these are about two serums, Egyptian gold serum and a rice silver serum. Both packaging were good. It was delivered very nicely and on time. It was delivered in 1 week period, and everything was good. The packaging was good. The handling of the package was good. So now I'm opening the rice silver serum. As you can see, it was sealed and the bottle was also sealed, so it was a bit difficult for me to open. So let's see inside. So it's a dropper bottle and the bottle is a glass bottle. It's very nicely, the packaging of the bottle is very nice. It looks very nice sitting on your dressing table, so I would recommend it. And the formula, let's see the formula. I'm trying to open it but it's not opening just because it's so tightly sealed. So I'm trying to open it, and here you go. So let's see. The formula is very good. It's just like a normal serum. It's not very oily, it's not very greasy, it's not very runny, but it gives you a very light sheen to your skin when you apply it firstly, but the sheen fades away as it is applied. So this was the rice silver serum. Now let's go to the Egyptian gold. So now let's see the Egyptian gold serum, and this is the rice silver serum. Once more I'm showing you the packaging and its ingredients are written on the side. Now let's go to the Egyptian gold serum. The Egyptian treasure, its packaging was also very good. It's a very good packaging. Its dropper was much more sturdier than the silver serum. Its quantity is 25 ml, and it was like it's reasonable for the price. So this is the Egyptian gold serum. Let's open it, and the packaging was good. This bottle was not as more sealed than the rice silver serum. You can see the dropper and the bottle. It has real gold flakes, like 24 gold flakes, and the flakes don't come in your dropper as often to apply on your skin. You can see the formula. It was a bit oily, but it's when you apply it and you massage it on your skin. As you massage it, the greasiness and the oiliness fades away, and the gold flakes help you exfoliate a bit of the dead skin cells. It is very good for your skin. It is mainly for anti-aging and skin lifting and tightening. Its fragrance is very good. I just love its fragrance. It's better than a perfume. Its active ingredients are vitamin C essential oil, pumpkin oil, almond oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, rosemary oil and gold flakes 24K. And it's recommended to use it overnight, as it will help your skin to replenish overnight and rejuvenate. So I think both serums were very good, and both serums are recommended to use overnight as they will help your skin more to replenish and rejuvenate at night time. So it's very good. I would recommend both serums. This was the unboxing of these two serums. I will upload the review and its reactions after some time as I apply it and I get some results. So stay tuned, and you can see the usage and the ingredients of this serum, Egyptian gold serum. So this Egyptian gold serum was very good, and this is for my mother. My mother will be applying it, and I will share the results very soon. So these are the two serums, rice silver and Egyptian gold serums. I bought these two to just give you a review, and this was the unboxing, and the review will be uploaded soon. So this was the packaging, and this is the ingredients for the rice silver serum. The rice silver serum's ingredients are also very good. So these were the ingredients of Egyptian gold serum, not the rice silver serum. I'm going to show you the packaging once more, and not to forget that the ingredients of both the serums and all the products of Amor Beauty are natural, cruelty free and paraben free. So it will not give you a harsh side effect on your skin, so you can use it anytime, anywhere, and it's all around great for your skin. So the packaging is the number one thing that's seen in a product, and this is the packaging on my these two products are from Amor Beauty. This brand is from of Sahil Lodi. Amor Beauty is a brand of Sahil Lodi, and I bought these two serums. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you can get the notification whenever I upload a new video. I will be uploading this the review of these two serums very soon, and here I am trying to get the thumbnail for this video. So let's see that if I get a very good thumbnail. And the lighting is a bit not too good. I will try to get a good lighting and good thumbnail. So like, subscribe.
I begin to